Hey, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of Pipsticks Kids Pack, and this month it came a little bit different. But hopefully next month it should come in the, for everyone, it should come in the kids, the shiny gold envelope. But it's still really awesome stickers. I've already took a peek. Oops, I think there's more there. So the first one is adorable veggie puffy stickers. So cute. I love corn on the cob. I just recently had some last week. And a really cute carrot with a face on it, and broccoli, and it looks like greens. And then we have these celebration of life stickers. They're cool. And then these adorable counting sheep stickers, like kawaii style, so cute. And ready to ride, like you can build your own little cowgirl and cowboy, so cute. And these would be perfect for the pumpkin patch. We went there last week before Halloween, and it says pumpkin patch border, so that's perfect. And then these cute little cow stickers, drinking milk, chocolate milk, and strawberry milk, so cute. And then we have pigs riding motorcycles, which I've never seen before, but it's adorable. It says road hogs. Then we have some more veggie stickers, salad gold. I love avocados, and they have rainbow carrots and some peppers. I don't eat peppers, but I like other things that are on here. Some pink mushrooms, some orange slices, so cute. And then we have calicus creatures. Those are neat. This one's called Budding Friendship. Little foxes and the flowers, so cute. Then we have these scratch and sniff stickers. It says smells like cinnamon, so let's see what it smells like. Let's see. Oh, I think I can smell it already. So adorable. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it does smell like cinnamon. I love cinnamon scented things. And I love apple pie, and so these are so cute. Look on the bright cider of cider. Look on the bright cider life. Well, awesome to the core. Happily ever after. Adorbs. These are probably one of my favorite scented stickers I've gotten so far in kids packs. And then these are so cute too. They have little like animals, and that one looks like it's dressed up as a, no, it's holding a tomato, I think, and that one's holding a, looks like a pumpkin and carrot, and that one's a bunny holding corn. It's called Grow Big or Go Home. We have more farmer type style stickers. This one's called Raised on Sunshine. So we have carrots and eggplants, tomatoes, cucumber stickers, potatoes, I love potatoes, and watermelon, and looks like a little farmhouse, and then we have these cute little piggies and cows, and it looks like hens. And then we have a postcard you can color. I love those. And then the last thing, I think this was a bonus. It's a little, their signature like Pipsticks, little envelope stickers and stamps. Those are so cute. I think that's all the stickers from, just making sure that you saw them all, from the October 2022 Kids Pack. And these stickers are now available at Pipsticks.com. You can buy them individually. And thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.